Forget everything you've been told about starting a business. People think you need a gigantic loan and a business plan thicker than a dictionary. That's just not true anymore. In 2026, the game is completely different. I'm about to give you the secret blueprint to build a worldwide business from your bedroom with basically zero money. This is insane. The old way was impossible. It was slow, expensive, and only for rich people with connections. That era is over. Technology has kicked the door wide open. We are living in the biggest revolution in business history. Today, you can launch a business from your phone using skills you already have and get it off the ground with minimal investment. It's no wonder that a huge number of business owners, with some studies showing figures around 77% to 84%, use their own personal savings to get started. The opportunity in 2026 is unique because the tools are finally crazier than our ambition. It's not about having deep pockets anymore. It's about being clever and using new tech to do all the work for you. So if you've ever thought it was too late or too hard, listen to me. You can do this. I am giving you a 5-step blueprint that's so simple, you can launch a business from anywhere on Earth. Step 1. This is the most important step. We're not writing a boring business plan or begging some guy in a suit for money. It's about finding one simple problem and solving it. That's it. That's the secret. Don't try to build the next Tesla. I want you to think smaller. No, even smaller than that. The fastest way to make money is to use a skill you already have. What problem can you solve right now? Are you good at organizing things? People will literally pay you thousands for that. Do you know your way around complicated software? That's an easy business. Can you write a good tweet? Businesses are desperate for that skill. The most profitable businesses are often service-based because they have insane demand and almost no startup costs. This is how you find your niche. A niche is just a tiny corner of the market the big guys have ignored. Look at pet care. It's not just dog walking. It's stuff like specialized puppy training or special care for old dogs. That industry is exploding because people treat their pets like children. Or a digital marketing agency that doesn't help everyone, but only helps local dentists. Your big idea isn't going to be some crazy lightning bolt from the sky. Just ask yourself this one question. What am I good at that could save someone time or make them more money? Maybe you're a killer writer, a great designer, or you just plan things perfectly. These are all foundations for 6-figure businesses you can start from your couch. Don't overthink it. Pick one skill. All right, step 2. This is where it gets crazy. The tools I'm about to show you would have cost a fortune a few years ago. Today, they're basically free. This is your free tech stack, the digital tools that will be your entire company. First, you need a website, but not a complicated one. You can launch an entire professional online store in a single afternoon using platforms like Shopify. If you're selling a digital product, like a course or an ebook, sites like Gumroad or Teachable let you start selling with zero upfront cost. For services, a simple website on a platform like WordPress is more than enough. Next, marketing. You don't need a marketing company. You can use tools like Canva and its AI to create insane graphics and logos in seconds. And now for the biggest cheat code in history, AI. Artificial intelligence is changing everything. It does the work of an entire team for you. You can use tools like ChatGPT to write your ads, your blog posts, your emails, everything. You can use a tool like Descript to edit an entire video just by editing a text transcript. And an AI assistant like Otter.ai can transcribe your meetings and automatically create summaries with action items. It's unbelievable. And then, you use a tool like Zapier to connect everything. It's like digital duct tape for your business. You can set up Zaps so that every time someone signs up, it automatically adds them to your email list and sends you a message. Your business literally runs itself while you sleep. Step 3, and this might be the weirdest one. The old way was to hide your idea in a secret vault until it was perfect. That is the dumbest strategy now. The new way? Build in public. Show everyone what you're doing from the very first day. This is the best marketing strategy in 2026, and it costs $0. Nobody cares about perfection. They want to see the real story. They want to see you try and fail and win. Post everything. I just designed my first logo. It's probably terrible, but here it is. Or, I just got my first customer. This is crazy. Here's what I learned. Your story is the marketing. This builds an audience that trusts you before you even sell anything. You don't need millions of followers. You just need a small group of true fans who believe in you. And with things like TikTok Shop, you can sell products directly in your short-form videos. They see it, they like it, they buy it. Instantly. So, start making content that solves tiny problems for your perfect customer. If you're a fitness coach, don't just post workouts. Post videos like 3 tricks to actually go to the gym when you feel lazy. If your content helps people, they will trust you. And if they trust you, they will buy from you. It's that simple. Step 4. Getting your first customer. This is the moment your idea becomes a real business. This is the ultimate test. But you have no money for ads, so what do? You do things that don't scale. Forget ads. Your only mission is to get one person to pay you. The easiest way is to use your current network. Ask your friends, your family, your old colleagues. But don't just say, I have a business. Give them a specific problem you solve. Hey, I started a service to organize business finances. Do you know anyone who gets a migraine just from thinking about bookkeeping? Here's another hack. Do it for free first. Find a local shop and offer them a free one-page report on how to fix their Instagram. If you're a writer, find one of their blog posts, rewrite it to be 10 times better, and send it to them. Show them how good you are before they pay you a single dollar. Once you get that first client, you have to obsess over them. Do the best job they have ever seen. Over-deliver like crazy, because one amazing review is more powerful than $1 million ad. This is the snowball effect. One happy client tells 2 friends, then they tell their friends, and it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Many huge businesses, like cleaning services, grow almost entirely from word of mouth. Okay, we've gone through 4 steps, and you should see that this is 100% possible. If you're getting value from this and you're ready to build your own business, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button. I share practical guides just like this every single week. All right, the final step, step 5. You have clients, you're making money, but now you have a new problem. You have no time. You're heading straight for burnout. But in 2026, you don't scale by hiring a giant team. You scale with intelligent automation. This is where you go all in on your tech stack. Remember the AI tools? Now they become your lifesavers. Studies show that a huge number of small businesses using AI see a boost in productivity. You use AI-powered customer service bots like Freshdesk to answer common questions 24/7 so you can sleep. You use subscription tools to automate your billing, creating cash flow that's actually predictable. Now for the boring but super important part, making it a real company. I know. It sounds complicated, but it's not. You just have to set up a business structure like an LLC to protect your personal stuff. Setting up an LLC has filing fees that can be under $50 or up to $500 depending on your state. Next, you get a free employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. It's like a social security number for your business. You'll need that EIN to open a separate business bank account and to get any required business licenses, which have different fees. These are easy steps that make you a professional and set you up to become a legit empire. Scaling isn't about working 100 hours a week. It's about building a machine that works for you. By letting tech do the boring work, you can focus on what really matters, making your clients happy and figuring out the next big move for your business. So, that old story about needing tons of cash, a business degree, and a lucky break to be an entrepreneur? It's dead. It's over. The blueprint for 2026 is simpler, faster, and anyone can do it. Let's recap the challenge. 1. Solve one simple problem with a skill you already have. 2. Use free tech and AI to build your business for you. 3. Build in public and document everything. 4. Obsess over your first customer and turn them into a superfan. And 5. Automate everything so you can actually have a life. There has never been a better time in history to start a business than right now. It's not about how much money you have. It's about how bad you want it and how fast you can execute. I just gave you the entire blueprint. The only thing stopping you is you. So go start.